After power bills, now water bills too are causing heartburns among Goans. People are upset as bills coming after 5 months. No doubts, COVID has hit people hard, but it also forced people to learn to survive. Growing own food is the way. IMD says well spent in Goa in likely to continue till the 14th of August. Repeats warning to fishermen not to venture into the sea. Isaac Clinton D'Souza, and now the news in detail. Corona is permitted all over the state as on Monday. The government is in a bid to fight the infection and has declared 3 hospitals as dedicated COVID treatment ones. Here's more.
Day-to-day life limped back to normal after Mangur Hill was denotified as containment zone on Sunday night after around 69 days. Residents from this area were allowed to leave the zone after registering themselves. After denotifying the zone, the South Collector has declared 2 micro-containment zones in Bada and Chota Mangur instead and have unlocked the remaining Mangur Hill areas.
तांकां हांगा एक गव्हर्मेंट थ्रू मेडिकल आमी सर्टिफिकेट दिता फक्त एक टेस्ट करता तांकां आनी तांकां सर्टिफिकेट दिता ज्या कारणान ती सर्टिफिकेट घेवन तांकां कंटेनमेंट झोनांसून भायर सरोंक गावतले तेंचें कितें काम आहा जाल्यार खंयचो दे कॅन शो दॅट सर्टिफिकेट टू एनी खंयच्या कामाक आसता पळय तें दाखोवपाक गावतली.
और यहाँ पे जो है सुबह में कंटेनमेंट जोन काढ़ा गया है मंगूर का, इसके लिए हम सब खुश में हैं, हैप्पी हैं यहाँ पर. और ये लोगों ने हमारी हेल्प की है कि जो जॉब पे जाते हैं बाहर उनके लिए सर्टिफिकेट पूछ रहे हैं, तो सर्टिफिकेट और चेकिंग अरेंज किया हुआ है. यहाँ पे चेकिंग हो रही है, उनके लिए सर्टिफिकेट दे रहे हैं जो जॉब पे जाने वालों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
लोग कामाक वयताय, लोग तेमकां अरे बाबा are you medically fit or no, there is that fear in the minds of people. So in order to clear that fear, today we are having a checkup for all these people whether they have the COVID symptoms or no, and the government, the health authorities from Chikalim hospital, they are giving them a certificate.
आज आमचे लोक सकाळी कामाक वयताले, सांजे रांदून दिताले, तांकां 70 दीस गव्हर्मेंटान त्रास केला, पूण गव्हर्मेंटान फुडें आनी स्लम एरिया जायते आहा थंय असले त्रास करना म्हणून हांव तेंचे कडेन मागता.
राशन दिताले, रायस दाळ ते दिताले आनी ते पुरड नासलो लोकांक कळ्ळें. आनी हांव म्हणटा अशे परिस्थिती लोकांचे हिंगा केला, दुसरे स्लम एरियान अशें करपाक दिना काय तुमी कोण आसा ते.
मांगूरकाराक 70 दीस जाले लॉकडावन असले, आज ओपन केला ते आमकां सगळ्याक जिवाक बरें दिसता जिवाक ते ओपन केला म्हणून.
MGP MLA Sudin Dhawlikar is upset over the government decision to declare sub-district hospital in Ponda as COVID hospital. He said that in case the government was doing that, then they should let non-COVID sick people to be treated at private hospital and pay the bills.
सोयी करपाक लायतलो जावन त्या बद्दल दुबावना ना जाल्यार प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलांत पेशंटाक धाडपाक लायतलो आनी ते पयशे प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलाचे गव्हर्मेंट पे करतले हें पळयता सामकें 100%. कारण तशी सोय फोंड्यांत आसा, प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलांय बरी आसा, इवन मेडिसिनाचे बरे दोतोर आसा, दांतांचे बरे दोतोर आसा, सगळे तरेचे बरे दोतोर फोंड्यान आसतात आनी तांचे वेगळे वेगळे आस्थापन आसा. हांव करपाक लायतलो तो पर्यंत फोंडे हें आमचें माहेरघर आनी ह्या माहेरघराक फोंडा तालुक्याक जर कोणी कितें करता आसत आमी वचूंक शकता.
Meanwhile, Sub-District Ponda Medical Officer Dr. Vikas Kulekar said the patient from the hospital has been referred to other hospitals and casualty ward has been shifted to IMA building.
सध्या उकडी बंद केल्या आनी हांगा आमचे पेशंट आशिल्ले ते डिस्चार्ज करपाचे स्थिती आशिल्ले ते डिस्चार्ज केले, जे रिफर करपाचे आशिल्ले ते आमी रिफर केले, थोडे आमी GMCन रिफर केले, थोडे धारबांदोडा रिफर केले, थोडे मडकय रिफर केले आनी हे पेशंट सगळे आमी खाली केले. आनी आमी आतां कॅज्युअलिटी आसा पळय आमच्या हॉस्पिटलाची ती आमी दिलासा म्हणून आसा IMAची बिल्डींग, थंय दिलासार आमी कॅज्युअलिटी शिफ्ट करतात.
Shamchari, Hirumale and Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Mangur Hill, Vasco and Ponda.
India's coronavirus recoveries reached up to 15.35 lakhs after a record of 55,000 recoveries in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases have increased to 22.15 lakhs after a single day spike of more than 62,000 cases. As many as 4.75 lakh samples were tested on August 9th. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 cases has crossed 2 crore mark globally. However, the dates for releasing the vaccine by India and Russia is 12th and 15th August are just around the corner.
A single day jump of 62,064 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, around 1,007 deaths were reported and 54,859 patients have recovered. India has reported 22,15,074 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and active cases have crossed 6.34 lakh mark. 44,386 deaths are reported and more than 15,34,743 lakh patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 5.15 lakh COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 2.96 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 2.27 lakh, Karnataka 1.78 lakh and Delhi 1.45 lakh. Almost 2 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 2 crore mark. 7.34 lakh deaths are reported and more than 1.29 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 49.51 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 30.12 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 22.15 lakh cases, Russia 8.87 lakh cases and South Africa with 5.53 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Guwahati 365.
COVID has hit people hard, especially economically, but there are few in a bright spot as our results. Watch our special report on this.
A teacher from Kudne, Santosh Malik, has now opted for farming. Another private office employee, Subhash Malik from Kudne, has also been chosen farming as occupation as mines are closed and there is no work due to COVID.
मार्च म्हयन्याच्यान कोविडा खातीर लॉकडावन जालें आनी घरा कडेन बेकार बसचो पडलो. देखून विचार केलो की म्हज्या घरा आंगणा मुखार जी जागा आसा ती जागेन समज हांवें एक भाजयेचो मळो लायलो जाल्यार ताचो म्हाका खूब फायदो जातलो. आनी हरशीं म्हळ्यार आमी बाजारांतसून भाजी विकत हाडटा ती बाशी आसता. आयज हांवें म्हज्या घरा फुडें भेंडे लायल्या, चवळी लायल्या, मागीर झाड कणगां लायल्या, वाली लायल्या, चिटकी लायल्या, मिरसांगो लायल्या, आळू आसा, अशी जायत्यो भाजयो लायल्या आनी ताजो म्हाका खूब फायदो जाता. खरें म्हळ्यार ही संकल्पना जी आसा ती आमी शेतां वचून केल्ली आनी हे भाजये खातीर आयज हांव खंयचीच भाजी विकत हाडून खायना. म्हाका खरोखरच फायदो जालो आनी येणाऱ्या चवथीक आमकां जी बेळगांवसून भाजी मेळटा ती म्हाका दिसता खंयच मेळची ना आनी ती भाजी म्हाज्या घरान आसल्या कारणान म्हाका तेजो खूब फायदो जाता आनी म्हाका खरोखर अभिमान म्हाका समाधान जाता की म्हज्या कश्टाचें आयज खंय तरी म्हाका फळ मेळटा.
Sakli Kudne area is surrounded by mines. Many people were dependent on mines. Now mines are shut and people are looking out for other options. Part-time farmers are now become full-time farmers. Homegrown vegetables are seen dominating the fields in mining areas. Watch Guwahati 365 special story.
फाटल्या वर्सा आमी शेती जे आमी ऑर्गेनीक जे शेती आमी केल्ली, जे आमचो ग्रूप आसलो कुडण्याचो जो शिक्षीत एक जो ग्रूप आसलो तेंच्यानी आमी ऑर्गेनीक पॅडी फार्म केल्लेले, पॅडी ग्रो म्हणजे भात पीक केली आनी अशा तरी सातत्यान म्हाका ह्या हितून आवड आसा. म्हाका आनंद ह्या हितून मेळटा, ह्या प्रोफेशनान म्हाका आनंद मेळटा. पयलीं हांव कंपनीन ऑफिसर म्हणून आसलो तरी पूण म्हाका तो आनंद आनी हांगासर खूबसो ह्या फरक आसा. थंयसर म्हाका पयशे मेळटाले पूण हांगासर थोडे पयशे मेळटा आनी आनंद मेळटा. जाल्यार आमकां भायल्या हितून डिपेंड रावपाची गरज ना. आतां बारीक पयलीं आमी कोविडच्या हेका आमी सगळे आमी बेळगांव, कोल्हापूर हेजेर आमी डिपेंड रावल्यो. एक 2-3 दीस जर भाजी येना जाल्यार आमी हांगासर लोकांक भाजयेची कमतरता जावपा लागली. म्हणून हांवें सगळो विशय घेवन केले की आमच्या फॅमिली पुरते किंवा आनी हांव थोड्यांक विकूंक म्हाका मेळटली भाजी, ह्या हितून हांवें ही ऑर्गेनीक घेतली. आनी आतां बारीक पयशे जाल्यार जी भेंडीची किंमत आहा ते 40 रुपया आहा पूण म्हाजी जी ऑर्गेनीक आहा ती हांव 60 रुपयान विकता. हितून फरक आसा. म्हणजे जरी एखादें प्रोडक्शन जरी कमी आसलें जाल्यार हेका रेट बरो आसा. म्हाका एकूच सांगपाचें आहा की आपलो टायम वाया घालच्या पेक्षा आपूण तुमी जमनीन हात घाला, जमनी कशी संपर्कान या, तुमकां ती जमीन कितकीशीच आनंद दितली आनी तुमकां म्हणजे एक तुमचें अन्न तुमकां दितली.
Mahesh Goekar for Guwahati 365 from Sakli Kudne.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. Mandeep Singh becomes the 6th national hockey player to be tested for coronavirus positive ahead of the national camp in Bengaluru. This update was confirmed by the Sports Authority of India on Monday. He is being treated along with the 5 other players including captain Manpreet Singh. The 25-year-old team forward Jalandhar is asymptomatic. other than Mandeep and Mananpreet. Defender Surendra Kumar, Jaskaran Singh, track flicker that is Arun Kumar, and goalkeeper Kishan Pathak were tested positive for COVID-19 last week after returning to the Sai Centre, where the national camp is due to start on the August 20th. After coming from the break, the players were in mandatory quarantine before resumption of the training at the centre. At the moment, India's COVID case tally has crossed 22 lakhs and overall deaths are nearly to 45,000 mark. It is Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365. Exorbitant power bills have given the opposition a clutch of blood in the government's already reeling under allegations of mismanagement the COVID against the fight. However, now the water bills are also causing heartburns among the common citizens as it is burning holes in already empty pockets.
Bills come after 2 or 3 months, sometimes more, and much higher than the earlier ones. In many cases, even twice the monthly amounts, and the department is insisting on being paid as per due date. No relief has been given by the government till date for bills received by Goans. Now, Salset locals, specifically from Naveli, complained that they last received bills in the month of February. They also alleged that when they inquired with the PWD, nothing was done and they were sent back without solving the issues. Listen in.
लायटीची बिल किती जाता ती पळय ओके आतां ते बाय मंथली बिल हाडटा लायटीची आनी ते इतली व्हडली बिल येता चड एमावंट येता आनी मागीर कितें जाता फारीक करपाकूय त्रास जाता आतां ही तरी समती 5 म्हयन्यान तरी येयली उदकाची जाल्यार लोकांक असले त्रास जातले की लोकांक हारी करूंक जावपाना आतां हे गव्हर्मेंट आतां थिंग बसून आहा वो तांचे सर्वंट्स थिंग बसून आहा डिपार्टमेंटान ते आतां ती बिल तरी मंथली हाडपाक ओ बाय मंथली एटलिस्ट हाडपाक ते व्हडलेशे त्रास ना
उदका बिल म्हळ्यार मरे लास्ट उदका बिल येयल्लें इन मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवारी आनी तें बिल जावन आशिल्लें ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबराचें तेमी फेब्रुवारी म्हयन्यात रिडींग वयलां तें आतां जानेवारी फेब्रुवारीचें बिलां अजून तेमी इश्यू केलें ना 5 म्हयने जाले सो तें आत येतलीं उणी येतलीं बट आफ्टर दॅट रिडींग घेतलें तें आत घेतलें तें मार्च एप्रील मे जून जुलय ऑगस्ट हे म्हणजे 5 म्हयन्याचें रिडींग जाल्यार इतलें आमकां बिलां एक बारा भरपा रावतले ते आतां सद्या हे परिस्थितींत जायते जाण जॉबलेस आहा लोक आनी लोकां कडेन पयशे ना सारकें ना लोकांक त्रास जाता आनी तुमी एक बारा बिल दितले आतां 20 मंत्री म्हण ते भाशेनी तुमी लॉकडावनाक घरा आसले तेन्ना उदक लायट चड हो पयली तेका लागून तुका इतली बिल येयला म्हणटा तेच भाशेन तुमी उदकाचें बिल एक बारा तूं लोड दितले आमकां हें सारकें न्हू आतां हांव काल इन्क्वायरी करूंक गेल्लो बिलिंग सेक्शनांत हिंगा बोड्डा वॉटर PWD डिपार्टमेंट ते मी म्हाका 3 रिजन दिली फर्स्ट म्हळ्यार एक म्हळ्यार कोवीड म्हणून लागले कोविडाक लागून बिल दिवपाक पावलें ना सेकंड म्हणून लागले ते बँक्स आर नॉट एक्सेप्टींग पेमेंट्स म्हणून लागले थर्ड म्हणून लागले प्रिंटींग एजन्सी आहा ती बंद आहा म्हणून लागले
आज सगळे म्हणून घरा बेकार आहे सो थिंगा दूख जाता थिंगा फिलींग जाता हे खूंय सांगपाचें पयशे मनशां निंदपणां जो गरीब लोक आहा तांकां बरें निंदपणां कित्याक खूंय सांडले आमी पयशे येतले हें बारा बील कितको हारी करतले सो तेका लागून असेंब्ली येवपाक हे पाटी एक दीस जाली असेंब्ली येवपाक जायना कित्याक कोविडा लागून सो असेंब्ली टायमाचेर ते आमी सगळें घालून बाबा हे भाशेन जावपा आनी करपाक
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Salset.
The Disaster Management Authority of Goa has issued guidelines for Krishna Janmashtami and Ganesh Chaturthi. The main emphasis is on physical distancing to avoid spread of coronavirus. However, the authorities have allowed Sarvajanik or community Ganesh celebration.
Janmashtami and Ganesh Chaturthi are coming soon. There are fears that this could fuel a hike in COVID-19 cases in the state of Goa because of the social mingling of people. Ganesh is the main festival for Goans, while Janmashtami is also quite popular. The police are supposed to enforce and ensure these regulations, including physical distancing. The following are the regulations to be followed during the festivals. No entertainment programs. only 4 feet Ganesh idols, only 6 persons at any given time, no prasad, staggered immersions, no dahi handi, no gatherings, observe physical distancing. Quarantine people to remain isolated, follow protocol while entering state, no moving effigies. Panji Bureau, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The workers and the staff of the Murmugaon Municipal Council are on strike for non-payment of their salaries. They say the late salary payments creates a lot of problems for them as they cannot pay loans, installments and rents on time. As a result, they are forced to pay late payment fees. Garbage was also already piling up in the town, and now with this strike, the situation gets more worsened.
The workers say earlier they used to get paid by 1st of the month, but for the past 7 months they are getting paid late. The workers say they have already met the chairperson and the chief officer, but they have not given a definite date to pay their salaries. The workers say Chovath is coming soon and wondered what will they do without money.
आम्ही ऑलरेडी म्युनिसिपालिटी कळयला लेटर करून की आमकां जो पर्यंत तांकां आमी 7 तारीख दिल्लेली 7 तारखे पर्यंत आमकां जर पगार मेळना जाल्यार आमी 10 तारखेक स्ट्रायकार रावतले म्हणून. स्ट्रायकार म्हटल्यार कितें, आमी काम करचें ना, आमी फक्त काम बंद करतले आनी आमी गॅरेज जो पर्यंत आमकां पगार दिना तो पर्यंत आमी काम बंद करतले आनी गॅरेजीन बसतले. आमी थंय सीओ कडेन गेल्लेले तर आनी सीपी कडेन गेल्ले, पूण कितें आहा दोगांयनी आमकां आश्वासन दिलां की करता पूण केन्ना करता कितें करता तें तेंच्यांनी कांयच सांगना.
आम्ही स्ट्रायक रावपाचें कारण कितें की 5 म्हयने जाले एवरी टायम पगार लेट घालता. एक्चुअली आमचो पगार कसो आसता 15 ते 15 तारीख, हांकां 15 दीस एक्चुअली पगार घालपाचो टायम आसता, तरी ते इनिशिएट घेयना की बाबा हांकां कसो पगार घालपाचो. आमचे लेबर फर्स्ट कोरोना स्टार्ट जालो तर लॉकडावनात टील डेट पर्यंत मरण काम केलां, भी नासतना आनी विदाउट ऑप्शन नासतना काम केलां. पूण हांगा धड पयलीं हाडले सॅनिटायझर जाले, 1 म्हयनो हाडलो सॅनिटायझर आनी मास्क बी सगळें काबार, परत टील डेट पर्यंत अजून सॅनिटायझर ना, मास्क ना, आनी तरी तशें आमचे लेबर काम करता. आनी टील डेट पर्यंत आमचे म्युनिसिपालिटी एक बी लेबराचे चॅक करूंक ना अजून कोरोना टेस्ट. आनी हे पगाराचे कितें जाला, पगार एवरी टायम घातले की बाबा कोणाचे घराचे भाडे आहा. कोरोना टायमार सगळ्यांक चड पयसो खर्च जाल्लो आसा, कित्याक भुरग्यांक च्यवनप्राश हाड आनी कितें हाड, हे हेल्था खातीर चड पयशे इन्वेस्ट केल्ले आसा. त्या खातीर कोणीच तरी बाबा पगार शिवण नाजाल्यार चेअरपर्सनान इनिशिएट घेवन जालें अशें की हांकां पगार बेगीन घालचो म्हणून.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
Goa will witness heavy rainfall till the 14th of August. The low pressure area in the Bay of Bengal and the offshore through the Arabian Sea has led to an increase in the rainfall from Monday onwards, said the Indian Met Department.
Light to moderate rainfall spells are very likely at most places over Goa. Moderate to intense rainfall spells are very likely to continue in intervals over Panaji. Rain is very likely to be accompanied with wind speed of 30 to 40 km per hour. Sangye and Kepe received most rainfall compared to other talukas. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea, informed IMD.
IMD had forecasted that the rainfall activity over Goa will be slightly increasing after formation of a low pressure area from 9th of August. So the low pressure area formed over Bay of Bengal on 9th of August, and as on today, that is on 10th of August, it's over Madhya Pradesh, and along with that there is a system over Arabian Sea which is called an offshore trough. So combined of these two systems has increased the rainfall activity over Goa in the past. Now with the presence of these two systems, today also rainfall activity is going to be higher, and we are expecting very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. The very heavy category of rainfall is very likely at 1 or 2 places over North Goa and South Goa districts. And even in the coming days, monsoon will be on normal activity. That means we can still expect a heavy rainfall, that is rainfall in exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours. That heavy rainfall is very likely to continue even on the coming days. As we can see, by around 13th or 14th of August, there is another circulation that is going to form over Bay of Bengal. So the activity of monsoon is going to be there at least till this entire week, and we can expect heavy rainfall, one or two locations at least, even after 48 hours.
Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
In a joint operation, the Customs and the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence seized 191 kgs of heroin worth ₹1,000 crore from Nhava Sheva port in Navi Mumbai on Saturday night. The drug was smuggled from Afghanistan via Iran. 2 people have been arrested in this case. The drugs were being transported inside pipes and they cost around 5 crore rupees per kg in the market. The 2 accused had alleged brought these drugs from Afghanistan. The accused has been remanded into 14 days jail custody. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please do log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook at Goa365TV, or simply download our app on both on Android and your iPhones to watch on mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365.